Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Let's cook Nigerian jollof rice in less than 3 minutes. I'm cooking jollof rice and chicken. Now this is our chicken washed. I'm adding my curry, my thyme, your seasoning cube, your desired seasoning cube, then your salt, and this is bay leaf. It's also good for boiling your meat or your chicken, as the case may be. Now it is fully boiled. Now I have to fry it, and this is the outcome of the frying. Now for my jollof rice, these are the ingredients I'm using: my ginger, my garlic, my turmeric, and then that's my fresh pepper. Onions has been added to this pepper. Then you pour it into the pot. That's jollof rice, tomato, the sachet tomato. I'm using 3 of this because of the quantity of food I'm preparing. Then that's my curry, also my curry leaf. Okay, and then that's my thyme, seasoning cube. Also, it can be any kind of seasoning cube you desire. Add a little bit of salt for taste, and then your groundnut oil. So you pour it and mix it together, and that's how it looks like. Then you pour the grinded ginger, garlic, turmeric, and that's how it looks like. Then you put it on the fire and keep stirring like that until you have something like this, as if it's almost burnt. Then I'm going to turn the chicken with that stew, so just to have a good look, and then I fry it for some minutes again. Then it's okay. Then I pour it into a plate, and then that's the stew I have remaining. So you pour your desired water to cook your rice, and then you add another portion of curry and thyme. Then that's my nutmeg. You also add it, and that's my stock, water from goat meat. I bought goat meat, and then I put it, the remaining water I put it there, and then that's butter I added, and then seasoning cubes, and then you add your salt. This is the quantity of rice. I'm cooking 2 derikas of rice, and this is how it looks like at the end of the day, looking beautiful. And that is it there, my jollof rice and chicken. Look at me enjoying myself. So delicious. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please kindly like this video. You can share with your friends and family, and this is another one here that I just prepared today. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.